Hi, thanks for inviting me to your house.
You're welcome. Please come in.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work.
Do you live here with your family?
Yes, with my parents and younger brother.
Is this your dog?
Yes, his name is Lucky.
He's so cute.
He loves meeting new people.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read and watch movies.
What about you?
I enjoy playing guitar and hiking.
Would you like to watch a movie later?
Sure, that sounds fun.
What movies do you like?
I like comedies and action movies.
Let's watch an action movie together.
Great idea. I'll make some popcorn.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Make yourself at home.